Hello children, so today I am going to teach you this rocking bird. Okay, so let's start how to do this. Okay children, so from Art and Craft book, today we are going to do one activity, rocking bird. Okay, so for this we need an A4 size sheet. A4 size sheet. The sheet should be thick, okay? So after that you have to fold like this, center, and you have to draw this bird. So okay, so after folding your paper should be like this. Where we folded, keep this side, and bird you have to draw. For bird, first one small circle like this, bird face, beak. Now here, from here you have to do curve shape. Go down, 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 and you have to come up, okay, like a U shape. See? Now from here, little, you have to start from here, okay? So one sleeping line like this. It should be little curve, okay? Now up to here only, don't touch here, okay? Now slant line, from here to here you can go like this, little slant, then again little curve, sleeping line like this, okay, and you have to touch this line. Eyes and wings. For wings, from little gap you give here, and from here you have to start and go again curve shape and go inside, again go out and come inside, so like a wing shape, okay? Now you have to cut this bird. So here one sleeping line and here one sleeping line, like this you have to do, and you should not cut this shape, okay? From here you have to cut. So I will show you how to cut now, okay? See, don't cut slant, straight only you have to cut. See where we marked the line, no? There. Then you have to cut this shape, bird shape. See, after cutting, shape will be like this. Then now you have to separate this. See, you will get two shapes, right? Now after cutting, you can cut the beak shape, okay? Okay, so two shapes will be same. Now for this you have to draw the lines. See, circle shape. See here, on this how we did. So same design on this you have to do, okay? Okay, now you can color this birds, whatever design, whatever color you want, or same if you want to do, you can do same color from the book, okay? After coloring, birds will be like this. Now what you have to do, one stripe you have to take, or you can take matchbox also. If you have matchbox, you can take matchbox to stick between, okay, here. So take a stripe, just fold like this, Okay, now fold again, and here see, you have to fold this much here. Okay, and same measurement you have to take like this and fold again. Same how much we fold here, that much we have to fold here also. Okay, and this part you have to stick like this, so the box, it will become box, and you have to stick here. Okay, so like this, see, both sides you have to stick this box. You can take matchbox or any small box you can take, and double tape you can use, and you can stick. Okay, so after sticking it will be like this, so it will rock if you do like this. Okay, okay children, thank you.